Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to fix your puncture in your tubeless tire. So for this we need a plus and this puncture repair kit. You can buy it from a local store or order it online. So basically in the kit we get two tools and some strips to cover up the puncture. First we need to take out whatever material hit our tire and pierce the hole, so we need to pull that out. So I pulled it off using this plus here, and this is the thing that was sticking in the tire. So moving on, the next step, we need to take this tool and squeeze it in, and we need to squeeze it in clockwise and anti-clockwise so that the hole gets bigger, as well as whatever is surrounding the hole, it gets squeezed in. So now after we are done, we need to take out a strip and we need to squeeze it in the tool. As we can see, this is the hole. We need to squeeze it in and then pull it off from the other end. We need to pull it until the strip is exactly in the ratio of 50:50. So now for the finale, we just take this and push it in with all our force, and if it does not go in for any reason, then we need to fill the tire with some air. Here in this case I have used a professional tire inflator, but for home use we can always buy a 12-volt charging unit. And now as you guys can see, it's going in. Until it goes fully in, then we need to squeeze it up, pull it up so that the strip stays inside. So friends, we are done with our puncture repair, and I hope this video helps. If it does, please hit the like button, share and subscribe.